Do you translate from your language to English before speaking? That is the biggest reason why you speak slowly and feel nervous. Today, I will show you how native speakers think directly in English, and how you can do it too. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Joint's English class. Today's lesson is very important for every English learner. If you always translate words in your mind before speaking English, this video will completely change the way you learn. Many students know grammar and vocabulary, but they still cannot speak fluently. Why? Because their brain first thinks in their native language, then translates into English. This takes time, creates stress, and causes mistakes. Real fluency begins when you start thinking directly in English. Imagine this situation. Someone asks you, "What did you eat today?" If your brain first changes the sentence into your native language, thinks of the answer, and then translates it back into English, speaking becomes slow and difficult. But fluent speakers do not do this. They connect English words directly to ideas, pictures, feelings, and actions. That is the secret. So how can you start thinking in English? Step 1 is very simple. Stop trying to translate every single word. Instead, connect words with images. For example, when you hear the word apple, do not think about the word in your own language. Picture a real red apple in your mind. When you hear run, imagine someone running. Your brain learns faster with pictures than with translation. Another powerful method is using simple English in your daily life. When you wake up in the morning, talk to yourself in English. Say things like, "I am tired, I need water, today is sunny," or "I am going to work." These are small sentences, but they train your brain to think naturally in English. Do not worry about mistakes. Babies learn languages by listening and repeating, not by translating grammar rules. Let's practice together. Look around your room and describe what you see in English. There is a chair. My phone is on the table. The window is open. This exercise may look easy, but it is extremely powerful. It forces your brain to create English thoughts directly. Now let me show you another trick fluent speakers use. Instead of learning single words, learn phrases. For example, do not only learn the word hungry. Learn the whole phrase. I'm really hungry. Do not only learn tired. Learn, I'm tired after work. Your brain remembers natural chunks of language more easily than isolated vocabulary. Listening is also very important. If you want to think in English, you must hear English every day. Listen to simple podcasts, YouTube videos, movies, or conversations. Even if you understand only 50%, your brain is slowly building an English environment inside your mind. Over time, you will notice something amazing. English words will come automatically without translation. Here is another exercise. Set small English-only moments every day. Maybe 5 minutes today, 10 minutes tomorrow. During that time, think only in English. If you do not know a word, use easier words. For example, if you forget the word refrigerator, you can say the cold place for food. Communication is more important than perfection. Many learners fear making mistakes, so they stay silent. But silence kills fluency. You must speak, even with mistakes. Every mistake is practice. Every sentence makes your English brain stronger. Remember, fluency is not about speaking perfect English. Fluency is about expressing ideas naturally and confidently. Let's do a quick thinking practice together. I will ask questions, and you answer immediately in English without translating. Ready? What is your favorite food? What did you do yesterday? What are you wearing now? Do not stop to translate. Just answer quickly with simple words. This is how fluency grows. One day, if you practice daily, something magical will happen. You will hear English and understand instantly. You will speak without fear. You will dream in English. And at that moment, you are no longer translating. You are truly thinking in English. So remember these important tips. Use images, not translation. Speak simple English every day. Learn phrases, not only words. Listen to English daily. Practice English only thinking time. And never fear mistakes. Thank you for watching today's lesson on Joints English class. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who want to speak English fluently. Write in the comments. I will think in English. See you in the next video.